I'm going to run you through some general page editing, just some things that you will do when you go to edit a page, and just to help you in case you forget something. You can watch this video. It should be pretty quick. So from your dashboard, to edit a page, go to Pages on the left, and the pages that you can edit are the ones that have a little page icon. Any ones with arrows you can't edit. So I guess I'll show you through maybe the weddings page to be relevant. So the weddings page. Basically, you just click, when it comes to text, you just click where you want. If you want to add more text, you just type, copy and paste, whatever you want to do. It's really simple. Changing the color of text, you just highlight what you want to change the color of. Click the three dots at the top and then click the font color option and pick a new color. So it's really simple. So that's text. To make things bold, I mean, that's pretty obvious. There's a bold icon up here, italics. You can left align it, center it, create dot points, create a numbered list. Up here you have the preset heading styles. So say you wanted this to be a heading 2, you click that and it'll change it to be that. And again, there's also an undo button, so we'll just do that. Linking, adding a link. So say you want to, I don't know, link to a photographer's website that has photographed a wedding with a lot of your photos. Highlight the text you want to link to, click the link icon up the top, and then choose what kind of link. If it's another website, it'll be an external URL. You click that and paste the link, the URL, in here. You can also link to another page on your website. If you click that, it gives you all the pages and products you can link to. You can link to an email address. You only really do that if you're actually linking an email address. So the email address is written out and then you can make it a link for people as well. But yeah, so you can see all the options there. So that's text. From there, we have images. So with everything in Oncord, just click on what you want to edit, and whatever you click on should come with some kind of blue tab with an arrow. If you click on the arrow and click edit, you'll get options for that kind of whatever it is. If it's a section, if it's a column or row, they'll all have a little arrow and then you'll see what options you have. So with this one, I've added this image. If you wanted to change the image, you can upload a new one. You can choose from what's already in the back here. So say we wanted to change it to this, you just click on it, but I'll change it back. Here you go. Change it back. Depending on, you can change where the image sits in here. I've put it in the middle so the ring's visible, and I've also put a parallax scrolling effect so that when people scroll, and I'll show you, when people scroll, it kind of has this special effect where it's like revealing the image like that. So yeah, that's images. That applies to any other image. You click on the image, click on the arrow, and you have those options. You can change it. All that's important. What else can I show you? So with the wedding gallery, you may want to add new images eventually, or replace ones that are already there. And if that's the case, it's the same process. Click on the image, edit it, change the image. If you want to add more images, I would suggest adding 5 at a time just to keep it consistent. Now to do that, click on the whole gallery. So click on the gallery tab, click on the button, click edit, and then, actually, sorry, no, you need to go to the source code to do that. So maybe with this one, if you need to add more gallery images, contact me. It might be a bit simpler that way. I'm trying to think of other things you may need to know. but I think that's the main things, just the text editing and the image editing. Those are the main things. And then once you're done with whatever you're editing, just click save and exit. One other thing would be the forms. So we did go through this in person, but if you do need to edit a form, just click on the form fields and click on the little arrow to edit the bit you want to edit. If you want to add new fields, click on the form icon on the left, scroll to the bottom and click add form fields, and then click and drag whatever you want from the left into the form. Yeah, I think that's all. So yeah, that's general editing in Oncord.